Hey you guys, so guess what? The wraparounds are here. Looky, looky. This is your wraparound ponytails. And it's super easy. I have even put hair on both sides. Has the comb, which is great. Grab your hair, make your ponytail. Wrap this around. It has the Velcro, which will hold it, right? Look at that already. And then just position this around your hair and around the band, and it has hair. And you just wrap that so you don't see the band anymore, and situate it just the way you like and pin it. Ta-da! You can make a high bun with this. Look at that, high bun or just a low ponytail. Yeah, we're doing some simpler things for the 2023 ponytails. Pull that hair up, go to the gym, keep it pushing. So you just look for my Tonda styles. You'll see them in the wig section. I plan to make many of these for my gray ladies. If you want anything in particular, just give me a shout out. You all know how to get there on my YouTube channel, Tonda Styles, or Google Tonda Styles, TONDASSSTYLES. All right, till the next video. See y'all later.